So guys, for the first step, make sure that you have no VPN or proxy server enabled. If you do, then you want to disable it. For the second step, once you're on Microsoft Edge, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you're going to click on History. And now you're going to click on the three dots again. Now you're going to click on Open History page. Now once you're on this, you're going to select Delete Browsing Data. You're going to set the time range to all time. And you're going to select Cookies and Cache. You're going to tick both these boxes right here. And you can untick everything else if you want to. But you just want to select Cookies and Cache and then click on Clear Now. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in View Network Connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on Properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now once you're on this, make sure that you have Obtain an IP address automatically selected. Now under it, you're going to select Use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888. And you're going to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on Enter. Now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on Enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.